Hi there, students. Idolatry. Idolatry. A noun. Yeah, countable and uncountable, but most normally it's uncountable. I guess you have the verb an idol. Yeah, a person, an idolater, and you even have a verb, but it's not common. Idolatrize. Yeah. Let's see. So, an idol is a representation of something that's believed to have spiritual power. Yeah. But idolatry is the worship of idols. Let's see. Idolatry is the bowing down and the worshipping of a statue or a picture or an item as if it were God. And here I think the person is confusing the object with the God itself. And in many monotheistic, one God religions, then idolatry is a no-no. It's not a good thing. Yeah, they might consider it as the worship of false gods. Okay, so idolatry, the worship of false gods. But we use this as well, figuratively nowadays, to talk about blind devotion to something. So, yeah, the fans idolatrize certain football players. Yeah, they show incredible respect and admiration, but this is disapproving. Yeah, it's saying that they are showing too much respect. Yeah, and I think idolatry of pop stars and football fans, yeah, people go too far. They go over the top. Yeah. Yeah, maybe Isaac Newton was revered to the point of idolatry. Idolatry is talking about excess admiration, love, or reverence for something. Yeah, you're not you're not being critical, you're not actually thinking about it. This is uncritical worship of something. The way the parents treated their children got to almost to the point of idolatry, hero worship. Yeah. Okay, so idolatry, to worship somebody as if they were a god. Idolatry, the worshipping of idols. Yeah, excessive devotion, excessive reverence towards a person, adulation, hero worship. Yeah, so it's got this idea of it's going too far. Yeah, idolatry, the worship of a physical object as if it was God. That's the technical definition. But being too devoted to something, going over the top, yeah, just being immoderate and not being reasonable about it. You can see nothing wrong. They can do no wrong. Adulation, hero worship, glorification. Yeah, the way the pop star was treated got to the point of idolatry. Okay, now formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think informally, worship, hero worship, something like that. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, let's see, it comes from Church Latin, idolatria, which itself comes from ancient Greek, Idolatria, the worship of idols. Okay, from Adon, an idol, and latris, a worshipper. So a worshipper of idols. Okay, so idolatry, adoration, excess adoration, reverence, worship, but more than could be considered reasonable. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Idolatry, idolatrize.